Speed like never before. Coverage like never before. Experience like never before. For the first time in Nepal, experience speeds up to 300 Mbps. Introducing WorldLink Photon series. Powered by Nokia Beacon 1.1. Our new mesh Wi-Fi system with Nokia Beacon 1.1 router gives you a mind-blowing experience. And with WorldLink's smart installation, get detailed flow mapping by our experts to get the best place for your routers for optimum high-speed Wi-Fi coverage. Also get proper router mounting and installation with efficient cabling and drilling, making every corner a high-speed Wi-Fi corner. Now connect seamlessly everywhere in your home. Just one network for easier and better internet connection. Pair up multiple Nokia Beacon 1.1 routers for limitless coverage. With WorldLink's Photon 300 Mbps internet and Nokia Beacon 1.1 router, experience speed and coverage like never before. High speed in every corner. For more information, call our customer support or go to our website www.worldlink.com.np. Chitto baneke WorldLink.